ETH scientists have developed a special protective membrane made of cellulose that significantly reduces the buildup of fibrotic tissue around cardiac pacemaker implants. Their development could greatly simplify surgical procedures for patients with cardiac pacemakers. Every pacemaker has to be replaced at some point. When this time comes, typically after about 5 years when the device's battery expires, the patient has to undergo surgery. If too much fibrotic tissue has formed around the pacemaker, it complicates the procedure. In such cases, the surgeon has to cut into and remove this excess tissue. Not only does that prolong the operation, it also increases the risk of complications such as infection. To overcome this issue, the researchers at ETH Zurich spent the last few years developing a membrane with a special surface structure that is less conducive to the growth of fibrotic tissue than the smooth metal surface of pacemakers. The research team has now tested the membrane on pigs. In each pig, the scientists implanted two pacemakers, one of which was enveloped in the cellulose membrane. Following the 1-year test period, the researchers can report positive results. Now that the material has proved successful in animal trials, the scientists plan to apply for approval for clinical trials in humans. The trials are slated to start next year at 3 large cardiac centers in Germany.